Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Logic Pro Review 2025. Is it worth it? Let's review Logic Pro 11.2 for Mac and Logic Pro 2.2 for iPad. Are they worth it? These versions introduce Flashback, a feature that recovers MIDI and audio performances even if you didn't hit record. Perfect for capturing spontaneous creativity. Stem splitters now enhance to isolate piano and guitar in addition to vocals, bass, and drums, with presets for a cappella, instrumentals, and more. AI tools like session players, Chroma Glow, and AI-assisted lyric writing via Notepad with ChatGPT integration further boost creativity. Used by top artists like Tyler the Creator, Calvin Harris, and J. Cole, Logic Pro remains a powerhouse, combining production, mixing, MIDI sequencing, scoring, and sound design in an intuitive interface. It's faster than FL Studio, simpler than Ableton, and offers unmatched value with a one-time purchase and lifetime free updates. However, it's Mac and iPad only. Updates can leave older Macs behind, and stock sounds are genre limited, requiring third party libraries. If you're on modern Apple Silicon and want a robust, AI enhanced DAW, Logic Pro is one of the best choices out there. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.